I was so excited to be here, but mostly I was overwhelmed. It was my first time as a Ghana, and it's a dream come true. And welcome to the Emirates, welcome to the Arsenal Stadium tour. Please note, continuous filming is strictly restricted during the tour. Anyway, I was way too excited to film anything. In the meantime, enjoy watching what I managed to get. I don't really like talking way too much about the stadium or where to find it, otherwise it's always gonna be there. But if you want to find more about the tour, because information always changes, I advise that you visit the website before you can even try to come decide. But for now, enjoy the video.
Hello. English. I just wanted to let you know we don't allow continuous filming. You can take photos, you can record every so often, but not continuously.
Not throughout.
Not throughout.
Now and then.
And this is an away team dressing room. I feel like it's way too basic, honestly. This was a day before United game, so I think that they remove the other team's jersey, just to prepare for the United game. But anyway, it is what it is.
Okay.
But I would love to travel, so I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, you are very much welcome.
So, do you want to take a picture of our double trophies?
I can't take with my phone, so unless if you don't mind.
I'm not allowed to.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any advice on how I can do better next time, please don't forget to leave your comment below. I will surely have a look at it and make sure that I improve. And before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, Wait for the last part. As a true Ghana, you're gonna love it. Ciao.